Hello my beauties, it's Mimi here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I wanted to do an updated foundation routine. I think it's been 2 years since my last updated foundation routine. A lot has changed since then, so I put the camera a little closer. So the first thing I like to do is moisturize my face. You can use any moisturizer that fits you. The next step I like to do is using face primer. I'll be using the new Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. I like this better than the original primer, mainly because the original is more like of, not a cream texture, but more of a thicker consistency. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry, I'm not good at explaining. Yeah, I like this one, and they smell just about the same. I love the packaging, it's just so pretty. I'm going to avoid my eyes because I'll be putting eyeshadow on later, so. For my foundation, I like to use the Lancôme Ultra Wear. I love this because it lasts all day long. I would wear it to work from the morning, like at 9, and then I get off at 8, and then it's still there. So that's what I like about it. It's kind of light on me, but I still love it. I just need to find one shade darker, I think. I don't know, we'll see. I love this foundation. I like to apply it with a wet beauty sponge. Start putting it on my face. For my concealer, I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. So I'm just going to apply that on my under eye circle. And that's about it. I know people do it like their forehead, their chin, down their nose, but I don't do that. I don't know. I just feel like there's no need. It's too much for me, so I just do my under circles. I know some people that like to use liquid contour, but I don't contour my face. I just bronze my face with the bronzer powder. I feel like if you put like contour and then bronzer, it's just too much. Some people just like, you know, very deep cheekbones, I guess. So I'll just put on some powder. I like to use the Mercier translucent powder. It's my favorite. I'll be going in with my MAC 129 brush. And I don't really bake too, so I just don't feel the need. And I also don't contour my nose. Okay, with my MAC 187 brush, I like to dust off the excess and then just blend it out. Oh. So now it's bronzer time. I like to use the Tarte bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. And then I go in with my MAC 168S brush and just make a fishy face. Forehead, and then my jawline. For my blush, I will be using the Tarte Party, and then I'll be using the Morphe M105 blush brush. I like how flawless it looks. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell in front of the mirror, so I will be applying the highlighter after I do my whole eye makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eye makeup and my lips, I'm going to apply the highlighter, but what I like to do first is to spray my whole face, and then when the setting spray is a little bit damp or a little dry, whatever, I like to put my highlighter over it because I feel like that lasts longer. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. So the setting spray I like to use is the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. This is oil control, so my face is very oily, so this helps from it being oily. So I'm just gonna spray my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit and make sure it's just a little damp. Okay, so the highlighter I will be using is the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. I'm not going to show it to you because a couple months ago I dropped it while filming my makeup collection video, so I will be using this Morphe highlighter brush. So I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, chin, and then I like to turn on my nose right here, the tip of my nose, and also that's kind of too much, but my cupid's bow. So that's all for now. I hope you like my updated foundation routine. I love this foundation, it's so pretty. If you guys like this eye look, just leave a comment down below and hopefully I can make a video on it if there's a lot of requests on it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.